How to rock your webinar in just 14 days. Webinars are a great marketing tool, but learning how to create webinars makes them an even greater marketing tool. Webinars can be scary, even if you've never done one before, or even scarier if you've done one and it kind of went off the rails. Don't worry, it happens to everyone at least once. But when they're planned and executed properly, webinars can do two things for you. 1. Build your reputation, credibility, and rapport with your audience. 2. Bring in substantial sales for your business. When you're just starting out with webinars, a great way to get comfortable and test the waters is to do a free training for your current list or members with little or no sales pitch. This helps you get comfortable being live on screen and takes away some of the jitters. It allows you to highlight your teaching capabilities and focus on delivering great content. Plus, a really great teaching or training webinar is a huge confidence booster and rapport builder. And it'll be much easier for you to make an offer when you do your next session. Webinars are like everything else though. They're only successful when you follow a proven process. Winging it on a live call can spell disaster, especially if you're not comfortable with your platform or your content. When you've got a step-by-step guide to follow, it's less likely you'll miss something really important. I've got a great free checklist to help make sure you don't miss a thing. Whether you want to create a straight training webinar or sell your own product or an affiliate product, this day-by-day checklist will teach you how to create webinars that get the word out and build a killer presentation. Start using it today and get out there with your own training. Your members want to interact with you, I promise. Start earning more with webinars using this 14-day step-by-step guide. Grab yours here. NAMS.ws/rockyourwebinar.